Hello students, part 1 we have learned about cations, the elements having positive charge or compounds having positive charge, and part 2 we have learned about anions, the elements or compounds having negative charge. Now we will learn when the cation and anion combine together to form a compound. So which one is the part 3? We will learn about the compound or the formula. So what will we learn? Today we will learn the formula of a compound. So suppose the formula will be asked. Suppose I'll ask copper sulfate. Copper 2 will be it's the valency, then sulfate. So all of you know we will always use the crisscross rule. So copper valency here is +2, copper is a cation, sulfate valency is -2. You can follow the table. This is the table. So you can follow, and then the crisscross. So sulfate +2 valency here will come, -2 valency will be here will come. So crisscross will happen then, and both since +2 and -2, so both number will be cancelled with each other, and the formula will become copper sulfate, CuSO4. Now I will suppose next compound I will go magnesium hydroxide. Okay, magnesium hydroxide. So this is the compound will be given to you. Magnesium valency just now we studied. Magnesium valency is +2, and hydroxide is the form is OH, and the OH -1. So I told you just crisscross. So this one valency will come here, and this one valency will come here. So then the formula will become MgOH, and this 2 will be as a subscript, so it will be Mg1 OH2, but 1 we generally do not write because 1 is by default. So MgOH2 is known as magnesium hydroxide. Same way aluminium chloride. So this way formula, if will be very clear, it will be always be very good in chemistry. So aluminium valency is +3, chlorine valency is -1. So then again crisscross, then this is the crisscross. Then aluminium valency will come here, chlorine valency will come here. So the valency will become what? Aluminium 1, chlorine 3. Plus and minus always will be cancelled with each other. That's why aluminium AlCl3. Now we are coming next, sodium carbonate. So sodium is this one, valency +1, carbonate is -2 valency. Same way crisscross, then crisscross. Now the formula will become Na2CO3. Practice more and more for potassium carbonate, potassium chloride, potassium hydroxide, ammonium nitrate, ammonium nitrite, sodium sulfide, sodium sulfate, potassium permanganate, and so on. If any doubt, kindly follow my channel and comment me.